this early morning we decided to take a hike on these rocks. Pretty far from shore now. Took us quite a bit of time. It's about 1.25 miles that we walked. And we're almost to the end, but we haven't reached there yet. So about another 1/4 mile till the end, it looks like. Good morning! Today is Friday. Super excited because hubby's gonna pick me up right after work and we're gonna be headed to Galveston for the weekend. Got off work. We're gonna pick up something from Joe's Italian restaurant and just eat while we're driving on the road. Oh my goodness, guys, this smells so good. Look at all our food. So it looks like hubby booked the wrong hotel. So we are still quite a bit away from Galveston. I think like 25 or 30 miles away. So we will have to be making that drive to Galveston. Just arrived to the Texas City Dike. The sun is about to set right behind me. But how we have missed the ocean, guys. Heading out to fishing already. Alright guys, we just made it to Galveston. We are probably heading to a ferry. They have a ferry that takes you to the other side and we are gonna go fishing at the jetty.
Continue on ferry
So
road
I think
for
it's
1.5 miles.
Is it closer to Crystal Beach?
Port Boulevard jetty, I
Boulevard
guess.
jetty. What's wrong with you?
Stop it, you dummy.
Okay, so I think we are finally loading onto the ferry. I believe the ferry fits about like 70 vehicles. So hopefully our line gets to go in.
Or no?
Up to you. You could do it slowly. So we only hit a 1/2 mile. That seems like it was forever. We have 1 mile left. It's 1.5 miles to get to the end point. So back to hiking, guys. almost 8 in the morning, guys, and it is super hot here already. As you can tell, I am sweating. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the 1.5 mile mark, but we're gonna try to at least make it to a mile. This is a pretty far walk on these big rocks. It's definitely been a hike, so we are gonna do a little fishing here. I know the walk back is going to be excruciating, but this is what you do when you're married to a fisherman. Looks like he caught something. Looks small. Catfish? Look at this, guys. I don't know what it is. Whew, we made it. That was a long walk. The end is actually just right there by all the boats, which we are not gonna go because there's just too many people and boats over there. So it's gonna be too crowded. So we are gonna stay our bottoms over here. Oh my goodness! Almost got wet by those waves. Hubby caught a crab. That looks like no crab. That looks like trash. We're heading back, guys, and it's painful. Taking water break right now. Slowly getting closer to shore. Ugh. I'm so exhausted. I'm ready to take a nap actually after this. We have not eaten breakfast or anything, so our energy is definitely drained by this time. Okay guys, we finally made it back. Not all the way to shore yet, but we made it back to the sidewalk where we don't have to walk on the rocks anymore. Oh shoot.
Hold it, don't hold it.
Ooh, looks like a flounder. This dude's first cast here on the sidewalk part, and he got a flounder. So we caught nothing on the rocks all the way over there. Wasted our time.
Kind of knew that was going to happen.
Good job, guy. Caught another flounder, but it's probably too small. How many inches is that one? 13. Too small, so he's safe. He's going back in the ocean. Caught another flounder. A baby one. Oh, he's so cute.
He's so cute.
Bye-bye.
So cute. I want to eat him.
We are going to be heading to lunch because it's around 11:32 right now, and we are quite hungry because we have not eaten all day and we've exhausted all our energy from the hike. So we actually did about 2.5 miles on those rocks. So time to eat. Getting back on the ferry to go across the water, and there is a ton of cars. Okay, we are gonna go eat lunch at the fish company. It looks like they have good reviews. I guess they have tacos and some kind of Asian fusion. it's like super hot in there, so we decided not to eat in there. They had like no AC, and this weather is definitely too hot. So we're gonna eat in the car. This is the only spoons they had for us, and we had tom yums. Is it no, kimchi
This is
soup. Where we're gonna be eating, our little table here. Okay, that's the shrimp. Smells
sweet, salty.
sweet, salty shrimp or something. Smells pretty good. That's the Empire. I think that's the Korean then.
Is that what we got, Korean?
Yeah.
They both look like the same meat, you know?
I don't know.
Oh,
Just
yeah, look at
different
that.
sauce. Yeah, it's the fish of the day with the sauce.
Oh, it's fish?
I
thought
think
this
so.
was like chicken.
I think it's fish.
Mmm. Mmm.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Try the other one. Is that the Korean one?
I don't know.
Can you tell? How's that one?
Good.
Good?
Well, I like it.
You do?
Yep.
Wow. You're a hard man to please though.
Yes, I am.
So I'm surprised you like it. If you like it, it's probably good. Okay,
Okay.
I'm gonna try it. That's why you married me? Aww. That's the sweetest thing you've ever said to me.
Which one you gonna try first, bro?
I don't know what this one is, but this one.
Yeah, take that bite. Take that bite, yes. Chew it. Chew it like a chipmunk.
Pretty good.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
Okay, I'm trying this one now.
Oh, yeah, try that. Yes. Yes. Bite that. Bite that like a chihuahua. Yes.
I think that's the Korean one.
I can't tell.
Yeah.
They're both good.
Yeah.
It's the same meat too, I think, right?
It's the same meat, it's
Yeah.
just different seasonings
Yeah,
and
different
sauces.
sauce.
Very good.
Yep, I
Let me
approve.
I'm gonna try the bok choy though. The bok choy looks really
choy.
dry.
Let me see, huh? Let me have a look at that. Yeah.
It looks really dry and not very flavorful. Like,
Ooh.
I have bok choy at home, but I just wanted to try.
Oh. What do you think, bro?
Just tastes like grilled bok choy, that's it.
Oh yeah?
But that's actually a good idea though. Never thought about grilling bok choy.